Hello everyone. So today let us continue the last class topic. Okay. So in the last class we have covered a rule called ASTC rule, right? So last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ASTC rule ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ explanation ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Let us write the ASTC rule now. What is the meaning of ASTC rule? See here. A means all, S means sine and cosecant, T means tan and cot, C is cos and secant. Okay. So this is based on the quadrant, according to the quadrant. So here I am taking the quadrants. See here. So here this is the starting axis. Therefore it is 0 degree. This is 90 degree. So this is 180 degree and this is 270 degree. After completing one rotation, so here we get 360 degree. Okay. So this is the first quadrant. We know that. This is the second quadrant, right? So this is the third quadrant and this is the fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. All the trigonometric ratios are positive, right? So therefore the letter is A. Next comes to the second quadrant. In second quadrant, only sine theta and cosecant theta are positive. Okay, only sine theta and cosecant theta are positive in second quadrant. So in third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. So here since sine and cos, so here the first letter is yes, therefore yes. Okay. So in third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. I am taking the first letter of tan, so therefore T. Okay. So next comes to the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos theta and secant theta are positive and other four trigonometric ratios are negative. So here also we are taking the first letter C. Okay. So in first quadrant, theta lies between, the angle lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Clearly we can observe that. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ 0 degree to 90 degree. Theta lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay. So next is theta lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. See here. Theta lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. Okay. So in third quadrant, 180 degree to 270 degree, the angle theta lies between 180 degree to 270 degree. So now let us come to the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, theta lies between 270 degree to 360 degree. So therefore theta lies between, so here 270 degree to 360 degree. I think this is clear now, right? See here. Here since theta is lying, ನೋಡಿ each quadrant allu theta ಹೇಗೆ ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, and also we can express this angle in the form of, see here if we take 0, so next right left move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ is it 0 plus theta? So move ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ angle theta add ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So here theta lies between 0 to 90 degree ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this can also be represented as 0 degree plus theta. Okay. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇತ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಅದೇ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ಗೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 90 ಇರೋದು, ಸೊ ಈ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಲೈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ 0 degree plus theta, 90 degree minus theta. ಯಾಕೆ 90 degree minus theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ us comes to the second quadrant now. In second quadrant I will write here. Okay. See here. So starting is 90 degree. 90 degree forward ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore the angle is in the form of 90 degree plus theta. Okay, so 180 degree ನ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 180 ನೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore 180 degree minus theta. So this is the angle in the second quadrant. So what I have written, 90 degree less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 180 degree. So ಈಗ ಈ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, or that can also be written as 90 degree plus theta and 180 degree minus theta. Okay, so now let us comes to the third quadrant. See in third quadrant, so 180 degree to 270 degree ಇದೆ. 180 ನ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 270 ನ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 180 degree plus theta or 270 degree minus theta. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದು, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ 270 degree plus theta and 360 degree minus theta. Okay, so here 270 degree plus theta or 360 degree minus theta. Okay, so these are all the angles, very important. So that belongs to which quadrant ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ so ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, so 90 degree plus theta which quadrant? Second quadrant. 90 degree minus theta belongs to first quadrant. 270 degree plus theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 270 plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ fourth quadrant. Okay, 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ it belongs to second quadrant. ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ quadrant ಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ if the angle is in the form of 90 degree plus or minus theta or 270 degree plus or minus theta, if any angle in this form, okay, in problems we use these conditions. So let us see the condition what we get. If the angle is in the form of 90 degree plus or minus theta and 270 degree plus or minus theta, then trigonometric function changes. Trigonometric function changes. See here, I am telling the trigonometric functions changes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡೆರೈವೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, cos of x plus y ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. 90 degree plus or minus theta ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 270 degree plus or minus theta ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್, then trigonometric function changes. That means, see here, how it will change means sine changes to cos and cos changes to sine. Okay, so ಹೇಗೆ changes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sine changes to cos ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cos changes to sine. Okay, so next we can take as a theta only. Okay, that is sine theta changes to cos theta and cos theta changes to sine theta. So tan theta changes to, trigonometric function changes to cot theta and cot theta changes to so tan theta. Okay, so similarly secant theta changes to cosecant theta and cosecant theta is changes to secant theta. So this is the function and this is the cofunction. So function ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if only when the angle is in the form of 90 degree plus or minus theta and 270 degree plus or minus theta. You should recall. Okay, so ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ, so here you can observe that 90 degree and 270 degree are in opposite poles, right? So ನೋಡಿ 90 degree ಮತ್ತೆ 270 degree opposite poles ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Therefore these two is having the trigonometric function changes. Okay, now next let us move on to the next one. 180 degree plus or minus theta and 360 degree plus or minus theta. If the angle is in the form of 180 plus or minus theta and 360 degree plus or minus theta, then trigonometric function does not changes. Trigonometric function does not changes. Okay, see here. So here in the chart we can observe that, see here, 180 degree and 360 degree are in opposite poles. Okay, so for 180 and 360 trigonometric function does not changes, but for 90 and 270 trigonometric function changes. How it is changes means sin theta changes to cos theta changes to sin theta, tan theta changes to cot theta, and cot theta changes to tan theta. Okay, similarly secant theta is changes to cosecant theta, and cosecant theta is changes to secant theta. So now by using this results we have to solve some problems based on this points. Okay, so now let us move on to the problem. Now let us move on to the problems. So here find the value of the following. So let us consider the first problem, sine of minus 30 degree. So here we have to find the value of sine of minus 30 degree. Sine of minus theta. So here, so we have discussed in the last class. What is sine of minus theta? Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. See the question here. Sine of minus 30 degree this is in the form of sine of minus theta. So therefore, this can be written as minus sine 30 degree. Instead of angle theta, we have 30 degree. Okay. So that is equal to minus, what is the value of sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. So this is the value of sine of minus 30 degree. So now let us move to the second one, cos of minus 30 degree. Cos of minus 30 degree. This is in the form of cos of minus theta. What is the formula of cos of minus theta? Cos of minus theta is cos theta itself. Okay. So here cos of minus theta means cos theta, that is cos 30 degree. What is the value of cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. So okay. So this is the value of cos of minus theta. So next one, tan of minus 45 degree. So tan of minus 45 degree. So what is the formula of tan of minus theta? So tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So here this can be written as minus tan 45 degree. Okay. So here minus tan 45 degree value is 1. Therefore tan of minus 45 degree value is minus 1. Okay. So next fourth one, here secant of minus 60 degree. Okay. So secant of minus 60 degree this is in the form of secant of minus theta. Yes. What is the formula of secant of minus theta? Secant of minus theta is secant theta itself. So last class idella formulas ella discuss ಮಾಡಿದಿವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So here secant of minus 60 degree can be written as secant 60 degree. Okay. So here secant 60 degree value is 2. So now next move on to the fifth problem. Okay. So here cot of minus 60 degree. Cot of minus 60 degree. What is the formula of cot of minus theta? Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. The given question is in the form of cot minus theta. So cot of minus theta can be written as minus cot 60 degree. Okay. So that is minus cot 60 degree value is 1 by root 3. Okay. So here therefore the answer is minus 1 by root 3. So next move on to the last problem. So here cosecant of minus 60 degree. What is the formula of cosecant of minus theta? So cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Okay. So apply here. Here this is in the form of cosecant of minus theta. Instead of theta we have 60 degree. Okay. So if we apply the last formula we get minus cosecant 60 degree. Okay. So that is equal to minus. What is the value of cosecant 60 degree? What is the value of sin 60 degree? So root 3 by 2. Therefore cosecant 60 degree value is 2 by root 3. Okay. So this is the value of the cosecant minus 60 degree. I think you all know the values of 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Right. So okay. And also we have to find the values of 15 degree and 75 degree. So in the next classes we have to find. So I will tell you how to find the values of 15 degree and 75 degree. Okay. So next main, find the value of the following. Okay. See the first problem, sine 765 degree. We have to find the value of sine 765 degree. So here if any angle is about 60 degree. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರಿ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಅಬೌವ್ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ then so here we can reduce that into a simplest form. See here, so what is 1 into 360 degree? We get 360 degree itself, right? Next, what is 2 into 360 degree? So 2 into 360 degree is 720 degree. Okay, so 3 into 360 degree, 3 into 360 degree is 1080 degree. So next, 4 into 360 degree, 4 into 360 degree is 1440 degree. Okay, so 5 into 360 degree is equal to, so here 1800 degree. Suppose if any question is containing angle more than 360 degree, okay, then we have to use this to reduce into a simplest form. So ನಿಮಗೆ above 360 degree angles ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸೈಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಸಾಕು, 5 ವರ್ಗು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, above 5 ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ we can observe that here we have the angle is 765 degree. So this angle is nearer to which angle here? ನೋಡಿ 765 degree ಯಾವ angle ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? Is it for 720 degree? Right? So see here, sin 765 720 ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬಟ್ 720 ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು to get 765, right? So here 720 degree plus ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ 765 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ? Is it 45 degree? ನೋಡಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 720 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ we are getting 765 degree. Okay, so here sin of 720 degree can be written as 2 into 360, 2 into 360 degree plus remaining 45 degree ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ 45 degree. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? And also here see here 360 degree is always equal to 0 degree itself. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ASTC ರೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? Since they are in the same axis, their values are always same. Okay, 360 degree is equal to 0 degree ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ instead of 360 if we take 0 degree, so here 0 into 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ completely first term 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is 0 plus 45 degree? We get 45 degree. So therefore sin 45 degree. What is the value of sin 45 degree? 1 by root 2. Okay, so this is the value of sin 765 degree. So next move on to the second problem. Similarly, okay, cos of, so here cos of minus 1710 degree. Okay, so first see here the angle is negative. Okay, negative ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ first negative angle formulas ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. What is cos of minus theta? Completely ಏನ್ angle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos of minus theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos theta itself. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ cos of 1710 degree. Clearly this angle is above 360 degree. Okay, above 360 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ 1710 degree ಯಾವ angle ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 1710 degree is nearest to 1800, right? Yes. So here see here cos of 1800 ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ 1800 ಮೋರ್ ಆಯಿತು ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು 1710. ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ 1710, ಬಟ್ 1800 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ 1800 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 1710 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 1800 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1800 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 1710 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1710 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ 1800 ಇದೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. 1800 ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಗಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 1800 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 90ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 1710 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ cos of 1800 can be written as 5 into 360 degree. Okay, minus, write that 90 as it is. So here cos of, so is it 360 degree is equal to 0 degree because that 2 lies on the same axis. So 360 degree ಇರೋ place ನಲ್ಲಿ 0 degree ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0 into 5 is 0. So here 0 minus 90 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 90 degree ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so here what is cos of minus theta again? We get cos theta itself, cos 90 degree. What is the value of cos 90 degree? ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ cos 90 degree value? 0. So this is the value of cos of minus 1710 degree. So let us move on to the third problem now. See here, cosecant minus 1410 degree. So first we have to consider the negative angle. Okay, what is cosecant of minus theta? Minus cosecant theta. Take that minus outside. Minus cosecant 1410 degree. See here, 1410 degree is nearer to which angle? So 1410, is it nearer to 1440 degree? Right? So here minus cosecant 1440 degree choose ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಗಲ್ 1440 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1440 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 1410 ಆಗೋದು? 30 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ cosecant 1440 degree can be written as 4 into 360. 4 into 360 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, see here 360 degree is equal to 0 degree. 0 into 4 andre 0 degree barutte. 0 minus 30 degree andre we get minus 30 degree. So minus cosecant of minus 30 degree. Treat this 360 degree as 0 degree. Okay, because 360 is equal to 0 degree. 0 into 4 andre 0 barutte. Completely first term is 0. 0 minus 30 degree andre minus 30 degree. So here write this minus as it is. Again we are hitting what is cosecant of minus theta? Minus cosecant theta. Matte negative angle barta ide, acute angle. Minus cosecant 30 degree. Okay. So here minus into minus becomes plus. Plus. What is the value of cosecant 30 degree? Sin 30 degree 1 by 2 agre cosecant 30 degree 2. Okay. So let us move on to the next problem. Okay, that is tan of 19 pi by 3. Okay, see here the given angle is in radian. So radian measure alli kottidare. First we have to convert that radian to degree. So first radian irodna degree convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Let us convert. So here tan 19 into pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Right? So here tan of what is 19 into 60 degree? 1140 degree. So radian ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ angle ನ first degree convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So degree convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. pi by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 degree. Write that 19 as it is. Okay, 19 into 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1140 degree. See here 1140 degree is nearer to which angle? I think 1080 degree. Right? 1080 degree ಗೆ nearest ಆಗಿದೆ. So therefore tan of, see here, consider that angle 1080 degree. ನೋಡಿ 1080 degree addition ಆಗಬೇಕಾ subtraction ಆಗಬೇಕಾ to get 1140 degree? So 1140 degree ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1080 ಗೆ ಇನ್ನು addition ತಗೋಬೇಕು. How much? 60 degree. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ addition ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ subtraction ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ so ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಗಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ 1080 ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು 1080 ಗೆ 16 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ tan of again 1080 degree can be written as 1080 degree ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? 3 into 360 degree. ಓಕೆ, plus 60 degree. See here, 0 degree is 360 degree is equal to 0 degree ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 into 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ we get completely 0. What is 0 plus 60 degree? We get 60 degree. Therefore, tan 60 degree. What is the value of tan 60 degree? That is root 3. This is the value of tan 19 pi by 3. So next is cot of minus 15 pi by 4. See here also they are given the angle in the radian. Okay, so angle na radian li kottidare, and also observe here angle is in acute angle, that is negative angle. Okay, first let us convert into degree form. First to degree convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Cot of minus 15 into what is pi by 4? Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Okay, so here cot of minus, so 15 into 45, 15 into 45 is 675 degree. Okay, so let us apply the acute angle now. What is cot of minus theta? Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Okay, so cot of minus 675 degree ittu, that can be written as minus cot 675 degree. Okay, so only for cos and secant it is positive, and remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. ಅದನ್ನ recall ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus cot 675 degree is nearer to which angle? See here, is it nearer to 720 degree? Yes. So here 675 degree is nearer to 720 degree, but ನಮ್ಮ angle ಬಂದು just 675 degree. It is more than, right? 720 degree ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 675 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we have to reduce from this 720 degree to get 675. See here, if we subtract by 45 degree, ನೋಡಿ 720 degree ನಲ್ಲಿ 45 degree ನ subtract ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ we get 675 degree. Okay, so minus cot of 720 degree can be written as 2 into 360 degree. Okay, minus, write that 45 degree as it is. So here minus cot of, so 360 degree means it is 0 degree. 0 into 2 is 0. Completely first term becomes 0. What is 0 minus 45 degree? We get minus 45 degree. Okay, so here minus, outside minus is there, write it minus as it is, into, again we are getting the acute angle formula. What is cot of minus theta? Minus cot theta, that is cot of minus 45 degrees minus cot 45 degree. Okay, so here minus into minus becomes plus. What is the value of cot 45 degree? Cot 45 degree value is 1. Okay, so I think this is clear. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ problems? So next move on to the next problem, sixth one. Sin, okay, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? So sin 31 pi by 3. Okay, so here also angle is in radian, we have to convert into degree. So let us convert now. Sin 31 into pi by 3, pi by 3 andre 60 degree. Okay, so here sin, what is 31 into 60 degree? We get 1860 degree. So multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. So 31 into 60 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1860 degree ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ನೋಡಿ 1860 degree is nearer to, is it 1800? Yes, 1800 ಗೆ near ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore sin of 1860 degree can be written as, so nearer ಇರೋದು 1800, but ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ angle ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ when compared to our angle. Okay, our angle is 1860, so therefore we have to add 60 degree for 1800 to get 1860. Okay, so here sin of 1800 can be written as 5 into 360 degree. Okay, plus write that 60 degree as it is. A 60 degree na hage barಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, so next is sin of, what is the value of 360? 360 degree is always equal to 0 degree. 0 into 5 is 0. So 0 plus 60 degree andre we get 60 degree. What is the value of sin 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. So therefore the value is root 3 by 2. So So next is sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Okay. So let us convert into degree form first. So given the angle is in radian, sine of minus 11 into pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Okay. So sine of, what is minus 11 into 60 degree? So 11 into 60 andre 660 degree barutte. Okay. What is sine of minus theta? Minus sine theta. Therefore, we have to take this minus outside by using the formula. Minus sine 660 degree. Okay. So 660 degree is nearer to which angle? See it. So 660 degree is nearer to 720 degree. Right. So here minus sine of 720 degree. ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ angle 660 degree ಇದೆ. But ನಮಗೆ nearest ಇರೋದು 720. 720 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to subtract to get 660. Okay, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು just 660 degree. But ನಮಗೆ more than ಇದೆ 660 ಗಿಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we have to take subtraction minus 60 degree. ನೋಡಿ 720 ನಲ್ಲಿ 60 degree ನ subtract ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ we get 660 degree. Okay, so here minus sine of 720 degree can be written as 2 into 360 degree minus, write that 60 degree as it is. Okay, so next let us move on to the simplification. Minus sine, see it. So 360 degree andre 0 degree, 0 into 2 andre completely ಈ term 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is 0 minus 60 degree? We get minus 60 degree. Okay, so outside minus ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ into, again we are getting what is sine of minus theta? Minus sine theta, that is minus sine 60 degree. Okay, so here minus into minus becomes plus. What is the value of sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. So this is the value of the sine of minus 11 pi by 3. So till let us stop today. Okay, thank you.